Again, welcome back to Precalculus. These lectures cover how to solve linear equations with one variable. So our main objective is to learn how to solve linear equation in one variable. So an equation is a statement that two quantities or algebraic expressions are equal. So for example, 3x minus 2 is equal to 7. We normally call this linear equation because the exponent of the variable x is 1. Now let's see some properties of equality. First, we have the substitution property. So what we mean is that, for example, if we have 3x minus 3 minus half 4s minus 18 equal to 4. Now, it's the same as saying 3 times x, which will give us 3s, and also 3 times negative 3 will give us negative 9. Then negative half times 4 will give us negative 2 and x. Then negative half times negative 18 will give us positive 9. Because negative times negative is positive. Half times 18 will give us 9, equal to 4. Now here we can cancel minus 9 and plus 9 will cancel. And 3x minus 2s will give us x. So we get s equal to 4. So here we can say that the solution set or the solution of the equation is 4. So substitution property said equation formed by substituting one expression for an equal expression is equivalent to the original equation. Now, addition property also said that equation formed by adding same quantity to both sides of an equation is equivalent to the original equation, which means, for example, we have x minus 4 equal to 6. Now, if I use plus 4 to the left side of the equal sign, and also plus 4 to the right side of the equal sign, the equation is the same as the original equation. So here we have s minus 4 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4. Now we use plus 4 on both sides of the equal sign. So the equation is the same as the original equation. Now here we can say minus 4 plus 4 will cancel. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. So the solution will be x equal to 10. Another example, we have s plus 5 equal to 12. So we are going to use, our goal is to find the value of x. So we are going to use minus 5 to cancel plus 5. But if we add minus 5 to the left side of the equal sign, we have to also add it to the right side. So we get s plus 5 minus 5 equal to 12 plus 5. So plus 5 plus minus 5 will give us 0, cancel. Then 12 plus minus 5 will give us 7. So our solution will be x equal to 7. The next property is the multiplication property. So it's the same concept as addition. Anything we multiply to the left side of the equal sign, we have to do the same thing to the right side, either multiply or divide or addition and subtraction. Anything we do to the left side of the equation, we have to do to the right side. So here we are saying that the equation formed by multiply both sides of an equation by the same non-zero quantity is equivalent to the original equation. So example, I have 1/3 x equal to 6. It's the same as saying 3 times 1/3 x equal to 3 times 6. So I'll multiply 3 to both sides of the equation. So 3 times 1/3 is 1. So I'll get x, and 3 times 6 is 18. So our final solution will be x equal to 18. We also have 5x equal to 20. I want to look for the value of x. So I'm going to divide the left side and the right side by 5. So we get 5x divided by 5 equal to 20 divided by 5. So 5x divided by 5 will give us x. 20 divided by 5 will give us 4. So that will be our solution, will be x equal to 4. So here we say if an equation contains one variable, and if the variable occurs to the first degree, when we say variable occurs to the first degree, we mean that the variable exponent is 1. So if the variable exponent is 1 or first degree, then we call the equation a linear equation. So example 3x plus 6 equal to 10 is a linear equation because the variable exponent is 1. Now 3x squared plus 5x equal to 20 is called quadratic equation because again the exponent is 2, so it's second degree of the variable. And we will discuss this more detail in the future lectures. So we have one more example here. Here they say we should solve 3s divided by 4 plus 3 equal to s minus 1 divided by 3. So we have 4 to the left, 3 to the right is a fraction. So first thing we can find the LCD or the least common denominator. The least common denominator will be any value that if I divide that value by 4 and 3, the remainder is 0. And I want the most smallest value. That's why it's called least common denominator. So in this case, it will be 12. 24 will work, 36 will work, because 36 divided by 4, the remainder is 0. 36 divided by 3, also the remainder is 0. But we are looking for the least value. So we use 12. So here we are going to use 12 to multiply both sides of the equation. The goal here is to remove the fraction, is to cancel the denominator. So here we have 12, 3x over 4 plus 3 equal to 12, x minus 1 divided by 3. So 12 times 3 will give me 36. 36 divided by 4 will give me 9. So we get 9x. 12 times 3 again will give me 36. Equal to 12 divided by 3 will give me 4. Since the 3 is affecting all the two terms, we are going to divide first. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times x will give me 4x, and 4 times minus 1 will give me minus 4. So from here, we can solve the problem. Our main goal now is to remove plus 4x on the right side. We have 2x. So in this case, we add minus 4x to the left side and minus 4x to the right side to balance the equation. So we have 9x plus 3x minus 4x equal to 4x minus 4 minus 4x. So 4x minus 4x will cancel, so we have only minus 4 here. And also 9 minus 4x will give us 5x. So we get 5x plus 36 equal to minus 4. So now our next goal is to take plus 36 out. So we are going to add both sides of the equation with minus 36. So we get 5s plus 36 minus 36 equal to minus 4 and minus 36. And minus 36 plus 36 will be 0. So we get 5x equal to minus 4 minus 36 will give us minus 4. Now our goal is to look for the value of x. So we can divide both sides by 5. So we get 5x divided by 5 equal to minus 4 divided by 5. So our final solution will be x equal to minus 8, because minus 40 divided by 5 will give us minus 8. So we can also check our solution by substitute. We can go back to the original equation, then we can substitute x as minus 8. So we have 3x, which will be 3 minus 8 over 4 plus 3 equal to x minus 1 over 3. That will give us minus 8 minus 1. And if we do the arithmetic, our solution will be minus 3 equal to minus 3. So as far as the value to the left side is the same as the right side, then we will say our solution x equal to negative 8 is correct. Now let's see an application here. Here they say we're using data from 1980 and projected to 2050. The number of Hispanics in the U.S. civilian non-institutional population is given by the following equation. Y equal to 0.876x plus 6.084 millions. Here we say S represents the number of years after 1980. So according to this equation, in what year would the Hispanic population equal to 36.74? So this means our equation is y equal to 0.76x plus 6.084. So we are going to use this equation, which means y equal to 36.74. So we are going to get 36.74 equal to 0.76x plus 6.084. So the goal here is to find the value of, again, x. So we can cancel positive 6.084 with negative 6.084. Then we can cancel 0.876 by dividing. So let's see the solution. So first, again, what we did first is we cancel the 6.0. So the solution will be this, because let's go back. If I use 6.084 minus, it will cancel, and here I'll get minus 6.084. So roughly somewhere around 25 something. We have 36, 6.04. So it will be around, here we say 36.74 minus 6.084. Because we want to cancel plus 6.084. So we use minus 6.084 to the left side of the equal sign, also to the right. So 36.74 minus 6.084 will give us 30.656. And it's equal to 0.876x. So now we are looking for the value of x. So we divide both sides of the equation by 0.876. And that will give us x approximately is 34.995. So we can also check our results and substitute the value of x in the equation, and the solution is roughly 36.74. So here we will say that the number of Hispanics in United States is estimated to be approximately 36.74 million in 2015, because we start from, again, 1980. The question said from 1980. So roughly 35 to 1980 will give us 2015. Because the solution is 34.995. So we approximately it as 35. Now, the steps to use to solve linear equation in one variable can also be used to solve linear equation in more than one variable for one of the variables in terms of the order. So for example, suppose we have this equation 5x minus 4p equal to 1200. And the question says how many units must be produced and sold for the firm to make a profit of 150. So here we are assuming E is the profit, S will be the number of units. So we can substitute E with 150, then we find the value of X. The next one, solve this equation for P in terms of X. Now, if we know the value of X, we can solve for P. Or we can solve for P, but also the answer will include the variable X. Then after that, we can find the P or the profit when S equal to 240 units. So let's see the solution. A, we have 5x minus 4. Remember, they say 150. Make a profit of 150. So it will be 4 times 150 equal to 1200. So we solve the equation 5x minus 600 because 4 times 150 is 600, which gives us 1200 equal to 1200. So now we can cancel minus 600 with plus 600. And that will give us 5x equal to 1800. 1200 plus 600 will give us 1800. Next, we can cancel 5 by dividing both sides by 5. So 1800 divided by 5 will give us 360. So A means we need to sell 360 units. And we can substitute the 360 into our original equation. And here we find out the left side, it will be 1200 is equal to the right side, 1200. Now B, we have 5x minus 4p equal to 1200. And they told us again to find the value of x. So first thing we do here, 1200, we cancel it on the 4p side. So we bring 5x minus 4p equal to 1200 is the same as saying 5x minus 1200 equal to 4p. We change the position. Also, one thing, if you move a variable from the left to the right, or you move a value or any item from left to right or right to left, the sign will change. So minus 4p, if you cross the equal sign to be plus 4p, 1200 cause the equal sign to be minus 1200. Then here our goal again is to find our value for p. So here we have our p value, remember is 4, so we divide everything by 4. So we get 5x divided by 4 minus 1200 divided by 4. And that will give us 5 by 4x. 1200 divided by 4 will give us 300. And 4p divided by 4 will give us p. So that should be our solution. Then C, they gave us the number of units of X, and we look for the profit. The number of units is 240, so we use 5 over 4 times 240 minus 300, and the answer will be 0. Now you say because P equal to 0, when S is 240, we know that there's no profit if we sell 240 units. So 240 units, normally we use the term the break even. Break even is when total, again, revenue is the same as total cost. So no loss, no profit. So that will be the conclusion of these lectures. Again, these lectures will learn the basic concept on how to solve simple equations, mostly linear equations for now. So again, wish everybody the best and thank you.